From President Duterte speaking at the birthday party of Senator Manny Pacquiao in General Santos City on Saturday. Mr. Duterte said there would be up to 6 executions a day if the death penalty is restored. Here's the president in his own words.
Sana sabihan na, bakit hingi-hingiin di Duterte ang death penalty? May death penalty, wala namang nangyari noon. Anak ka nang ibalik mo sa akin yan. Ako ang araw-arawin mo yan. 5, 6. Totoo. Kaya ako hinihingi kasi talagang hiritan kita. Ngayon ibalik ang death penalty. Ibang hirit tayo.
A bill reviving the death penalty was approved by the Justice Committee in the House of Representatives early this month. It still has to be tackled in plenary, but some lawmakers, human rights groups, and the Catholic Church are against the reimposition of capital punishment.